You are most welcome in my classes, and today we will discuss about the voice in the past tense. Earlier you have learned the voice in the present tense, and today we will learn voice in the past tense. If the active voice in past indefinite, then if the active voice is given in past indefinite, then how will you change the passive voice? Subject plus was or were. According to our subject, if the subject is singular, then we will put here was. If the subject is in plural, then we will put the were. Then third form of the verb plus by plus object. Okay. Subject, same type. Subject will change into object and object will change into subject. But only we will keep a was or were, then third form of the verb. Example, he killed a tiger. He killed a tiger. He, subject, killed verb, and a tiger, object. He killed a tiger, subject plus second form of the verb. Then you will identify this sentence of the past indefinite. So, ekdam, what will you do? Object, keep here, convert here as a subject. Then was and were, tiger is singular number, so we'll put here was. A tiger was, first form of the verb, third form of the verb, killed. Already second and third same type of the form of the verb. A tiger was killed by him. Understood? In the passive voice, if past continuous tense, then how will we change? If the active voice is in past continuous tense, then कैसे चेंज करेंगे? सब्जेक्ट प्लस was और were plus being plus third form of the verb then by then object. Like present continuous, we will put here being, then third form of the verb. Only difference was and were. In the earlier present continuous, we have put here is, am or are. And in the past continuous, we put here was or were. Example, देखिए, we will here write you. You were plucking a flower. You are plucking a flower. You, subject, plucking, action verb, a flower, object, and you, we are using sometimes as a singular or plural in English. In both time we will put here only plural type of helping verb. So you were plucking a flower. The subject of flower. Now, a flower is singular number, so we will put here was. A flower was, then being, Then third form of the verb, plucking, plug, plugged. Being plugged by you. A flower was being plucked by you. Third one, to save my time, I am not rubbing this one, okay? If the active voice in the past perfect tense, then how will you change? Subject plus had plus been. Only we will put here been, extra word put been, then third form of verb plus by plus object. Okay, subject plus had plus been plus third form of the verb, then by, then object. एग्जाम्पल देखिए, जैसे हमने कहा he had knocked the door. He had knocked the door. उसने दरवाजा खटखटाया. He, subject, knocked, third form of the verb, and this is object. If the head is given and third form of the verb is given, then you will recognize if this sentence is of the past perfect. So, how we will convert into passive voice? Object will come this side, the door, then had, then been, then third form of the verb already given, third form, knocked, then preposition by, and subject will keep here, he will convert into him. The door had been knocked by him. This is the past perfect continuous tense, and same time past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous, there is no passive voice. If the sentence in the same tense is given in the interrogative form, then how will you change? One example I am telling you. Suppose given same sentence we have done, had he knocked the door? Question mark. Had he knocked the door? Subject, verb, and object. The object will come like this, but in the passive voice we will not change the tense, or we will not change the form of the verb. If it is in interrogative form, then we will change the passive voice is also in the interrogative form. So what we will do, the door है, इसको subject की जगह object बनाना, same type हो जाएगा, had the door, had the door, then been, then verb की third form, knocked by him, and question mark. Okay? I think so you have understood very well. If the same sentence is the negative, then how we will do? He had not knocked the door. Not is given, so this is the negative sentence. Same type we will do. We will not change the form of the form of the sentence. We will do like this only. The door had not been, third form, knocked by him. This is also negative form, and this is also negative form. I think so I have told you in very easy method and you have understood. In next video, you will see how we will change the sentences of the future tense into passive voice. Thank you. If you like my video, then please share and subscribe it. Thank you once again.